Ahena umkena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Yeah, of course namhle ta khalo la Benny Mayengani big fan. Itlhela na Benny Mayengani of course lo ngata khe ngulinka na Gagash. Yeah, tabuya. Yeah, so as you can see, if you can scroll like account, Hlaisan Majomel, yeah, one of the big fans, the cool. Ta Benny Mayengani the president. So if you posted this post, yeah, lenga fayetsa lako briefly you lava Ishawa magazine, yeah, blog, whatever that is. Show some sort of shibam or whatever. Iteka na shibam sha campaign Hlaisan Majomel should come now in security ni shinong de kahle like security campaign yosh. Yeah, and na roadblock yongena shawela la Benny the president atshama ko. The big animal, the animal of course, apfala hala mina ni pfala kun'wana briefly hi tako iti of course iti 15 12 2022 iti 15 ta December of course leswi nga fika tsala swo. So this actually reminds me of that video leyi Mr. Post dinga enda dina gwavulana la dinga fika dikombisa ku hey ditala gwavulana ava bodyguard ya dona
Master man hembe loko ni vulavulana heti 1 gwavulana ndo tiraka xilumani ya rinda mina bifini nga heba ya chavisa swa bohani lava laviwa nungu xavela mpahla sweswi ya rinda mina hi leswo madala swi yo yeve.
So as you've heard, so it shows the beef leti taku laka December hinkwato ti like they got chavisa and the shungwana it's just the truth guys. Lo angana record you real MS the Post. No better the president he takes up beef. Hopefully this time around I get real MS the Post. Yeah, so okay in takale I got this matter been on the president as you can see so the 25th of November as you can see if he posted that post the long post then I posted like gigita on. Of course I'm not here to compare him with anyone go hey Rio. Yeah, so the gig as you can see teto yeah, so what I've actually realized defense total ata been the president ku video kota ku koma la ngi fambe ku pinpoint ko hey lona kom na ku la vele ku chingela ka Gagash va n'wi chingela hi ku bena the president yi ku metela nga tigig ku ve yena a kombesini ku ta pfala tipompo mi nga ma hleketa titele ngopfu video nga ta endla Gagash about this matter na le yin'wana ya tona of course la Gagash kha kombisa ku ndi ta pfala tipompo and stuff like that, but I kind of feel like people are in the context about this matter. Gagash hofu ite kahle tipompo ku pfala ka tona eta pfala loko bena the president yo fika I beef mutswari wa yena ani sweswi aziza confirm yes kuna the rumors about it loko yo fika bena the president if I beef hi December if I beef mutswari wa yena leswi nga fika kombisa ku eta pfala tipompo so swa ku tipompo ta sungula ku pfariwa vo next year so hi nga langutela maybe vo kusukela vo March next year 2023 hiko hela ka hi ta vona hi nga ta vona ku himpela Gagash na power yo pfala tigigi na hi leswi nga ta ka swi ndeka. That's what I'm here to clarify. I hope it's clear. Look what I'm getting subscriber. To come and take subscribe.